Alright, so today we're going to learn about symbiosis. Symbiosis is the relationship of living things. Alright? So, living things. What do you know about living things? What is a living thing?
I'm a living thing. Things that have cells, things that reproduce.
That's right. Things that have cells and reproduce. That's right. So today we're looking at the relationship between living things, and we have three of them. Okay? We've got mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Okay? Now mutualism, it's when both living things benefit. So you'll see that we've got two green papers here. Green means benefit. They both benefit. Here we have a Nile crocodile and an Egyptian plover, which is a bird. Okay? Now the Nile crocodile has leeches in its mouth, and it needs to get rid of those leeches. And the Egyptian plover, it eats leeches. Okay? So it needs to find leeches to eat. Okay? Now where do you think the plover, where is it going to find leeches to eat?
From the crocodile.
From the crocodile, that's right. Now, does the Egyptian plover benefit from this relationship?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it gets a meal.
It gets a meal, that's right. Now the Nile crocodile, it has leeches in its mouth. And you've told me that the Egyptian plover is going to eat them. Does the crocodile benefit?
Yeah.
That's right. So in this relationship, mutualism, they both benefit. Commensalism. All right, we've got a living thing that benefits and a living thing that is unaffected. All right, so yellow means unaffected here. We've got a barnacle, and the barnacle needs a hard, flat, open surface to attach and live on. And the scallop makes a hard, flat shell. Okay, so the barnacle is the living thing who benefits here because it needs a hard, flat shell, and the scallop provides that. Now the scallop, it doesn't benefit, and it's not harmed. It's totally unaffected because the barnacle has just attached itself. Okay? Parasitism. Here we have a living thing that benefits and a living thing that's harmed. So red means harmed here. Now we've got a tick and a dog. The tick benefits. The tick benefits because it's looking for an animal to eat blood. So it's going to eat the blood of another animal. And that animal in this relationship is the dog. So the tick benefits because it eats the blood. What about the dog?
The dog is harmed.
The dog is harmed because the tick is eating its blood. So in this relationship, one living thing benefits and one is harmed. All right, so we've got three different types of relationships here. So let's try one together. In this one here, we've got the pig and the tapeworm. All right? Now, the tapeworm needs to eat food that's already digested. And with the pig, he has lots of digested food in his intestine. Okay? So we need to try to figure out which relationship it is. So in this relationship, who do you think benefits? Because we know in each one, at least one living thing benefits.
The tapeworm.
The tapeworm, why is that?
Because it eats the digested food in the pig's stomach.
That's right. So we know that this one benefits. Now, the pig. Is the pig going to benefit? Is it unaffected? Or is it harmed? What do you think?
It wouldn't benefit. It's probably harmed because it doesn't benefit from the food the tapeworm eats.
Yes, that's right. It doesn't benefit, and it's not unaffected. In fact, the pig will get really sick when the tapeworm is in his body. So you're right, it's parasitism. Where does the tapeworm go? Benefit or harmed?
On the green.
That's right, on the green, which is benefit. And what about the pig? Where does he go?
It's harm on the red.
That's right, on the red, because that's harmed. Fantastic. All right, well done. I'm going to get you to do one on your own. So I'm going to get you to come up here, have a look at all these choices, and I want you to pick a couple.
I've got a cattle egret and a cow.
Okay.
So it says that egret eats insects that get stirred up by large herds of animals.
Mm-hmm.
And the cow grazes in a herd in open fields.
All right. So we know that one of the living things, at least one, is going to benefit.
So the third benefits because of the insects that are stirred up by the large animals,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't think the cow is harmed or benefits
Okay.
because it's just grazing in an open field.
All right. So if it isn't harmed and if it doesn't benefit, where do we put it?
It's unaffected.
Good. Good. And what is this relationship called?
Commensalism.
Good. Fantastic. Have a seat. Well done. All right. So today we've talked about 3 different types of symbiosis, 3 different relationships. Mutualism. Now tell me what is mutualism?
Both animals benefit
Good. Both living
from the
things.
relationship.
That's right. Both living things benefit in this relationship. Commensalism.
One benefits and one is unaffected.
Fantastic. And the last one, parasitism. Tell me what that relationship is.
One benefits and the other living thing is harmed.
Fantastic. Well done. All right. That's it for today.